welcome to another day in the Burnin boat, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of river fishing. So we've had water temps that finally cooled into about the mid 60s. We're sitting at about 66, and for structure we're going to be working along some shorelines, some down timber, and maybe some rocks mixed in, but focusing on current breaks as well. So we've got a windy day ahead of us, but let's see what we can get into the net today.
Lost one.
Really?
Yeah.
Good one?
Probably up 30s.
There's one. Oh, that's a good one. He's still there.
Yeah.
Holy cow. That was good border.
Yeah.
Dang. Well, we've got a few hours underneath our belt right now, and we've got some action rolling. Jake lost that one and then raised that good fish. Probably about a mid 40s for sure. That went around a number of times on the 8, but she just wouldn't eat. It looked like she wanted to, but didn't happen that time. So both of those fish were on a 6-inch, twitching a 6-inch minnow bait, perch pattern color. So we're gonna keep rolling here, keep working some of the similar structure. Both of those were basically off wood and right off the shoreline there. So we've got a wind change coming later in the day, and let's hope one hits the net. Just on like TV show that Mulderman used to have. How do you hear about that? Mulderman. They had a guy out in Maine. And like, it looks pretty freaking untouched spots.
Well, the only freaking thing is, it's a big fish. I don't think it's hooked very good either.
Might come up. It's a good fish, man. It's a good fish. Yeah. She's not coming up yet. Oh yeah,
That is a big freaking fish.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I think I held my breath that whole time. Oh yeah, baby, that's what we're looking for. I watched that thing eat.
Yeah.
And I was like, big fish. Yep. And then I saw you fighting it, and I'm like, oh. Alright. Yeah. Nice. This is a good one.
Oh yeah.
That thing popped off. I was gonna be so bummed.
I was doing all I could do. I did not want to lose her.
No.
That's a big head.
I love that.
It's been a while.
Biggest fish so far is 45. Can we top it? I think you got me beat.
Yeah.
I hope you got me beat. That's a big fish. That's a good one. Oh, is she 50? Actually,
that's 50.
oh my God, you can't get much closer than that. Wow.
Oh yeah, another inland Wisconsin 50, basically.
That is
That is awesome.
wow.
Unexpected. I don't
Wow.
even think I was really looking until I saw her hit.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Pictures, huh?
Yeah.
Lower her head. That is a big fish.
All right, let's get her back. Oh, she is heavy. Oh, nice thick tail.
Look at the size of the back.
That is,
It's very tall fish too.
yeah. Those are the ones you cast and cast for.
Yeah, it is.
It's been a tough year.
Man, live. When I saw that thing eat,
Oh yeah.
I was like, big fish.
Yeah, big head.
Oh,
And she just dug.
they ain't messing around.
There she goes.
Yeah,
Yes.
baby.
Yes.
Awesome job fighting that thing. That's that is a tip to go along with that. I don't know, I'm all jacked up right now. But a tip to go along with that is, a lot of people, we those 6-inch minnow baits like that, we've had a hard time keeping those fish pinned on there.
Yes.
And you did the same thing with your 52.5 that you caught last year. And it's a matter of sometimes finessing that fish into the net.
Yeah.
And
You just
keep-
don't want them to turn. You got to keep that thing. Just that one little hook is usually in it,
Right,
and if they do one weird turn and one weird head shake, they're off.
right. And a lot of times, we always try to keep that it's tough, but keep that fish's head in the water, because when they come up for air, it seems like they have a lot better chance of shaking those hooks. But that one chose itself not to come up for air. That's what the big girls do, and that is a successful trip right there. Oh man, just the fact of that is awesome. And so you lost one, raised that other one, and now this one.
Yeah.
I think we
still
keep.
got 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah, we do. So this was wood structure, just fishing a lot of down timber. It's thick with wood in here.
Yeah.
And it's about 9-10 feet deep. Just been kind of working it over, and she couldn't resist that minnow bait. Awesome. Nice work, man. Yeah. Yes, congrats. So Jake has officially put the first 50-inch notch into the new custom bump board from Musky Bumper, which was awesome. Now that the adrenaline has finally settled a little bit, let's talk some gear. So as far as what Jake's using to twitch that minnow bait, it's a 9-foot assault stick. It's the 2020 model in the SWAT power or extra heavy, and he's got that paired up with his Shimano Tranx, the 400 HG. It's got 80-pound Power Pro on it, and he's got a 14-inch Stealth Tackle fluorocarbon leader on the end of that. So those new assault sticks, the 2020s, are working out nice for us this year. We actually still do run the original assault sticks alongside of those also, but it's a little bit of an upgrade with those 2020s, and so far we like them. But we've used this minnow bait for quite a while. I mean, twitching a minnow bait is pretty basic, and as far as the action goes, I mean, it's don't get in the rhythm of twitching a minnow bait. Change it up, and as you can see how Jake's working that, it's a twitch pause, and just keep it irregular. Even doing a suic, it's the same thing. It's basic, but it's effective and gets fish into the net. As far as what I've been running today, it's been the Lee Lures water chopper mixed in with some blades from Bite Back Bait Co. So we've got a couple more hours till sunset here. We actually got a little bit of, the clouds are starting to break up just a little bit. We actually had a front roll through earlier today, and brought some storms and showers to the south of us. But we've got a major cool down coming later in the week. Well, let's see what we can get for action the remainder of the night. Let's hope we can get one more. Alright, the day is officially in the books, and we got an inland Wisconsin 50 out of it.
Yes.
Congrats to Jake on another one of those. And overall, so it was, lost the one, raised that good one that was at least mid 40s, and then got that 50. So I would say in, what do we have, 11 hours of fishing? I'll take that any day.
Oh, yeah. Anywhere, any day.
Yeah, that was awesome. I mean, to see that fish eat and then watch him fight that, it was like, I mean, you were obviously on the end of the line holding it and just saying, please stay hooked, but yeah, she did, thank God. So good day, and we're just basically getting into like the kind of late summer, early fall season.
Yep, that transition time.
Yeah, water cooled down, and fish were eating and active, and that was nice to see for once. Yeah. Like you said earlier, it's been a tough year. You just got done losing 4 fish in a row, which you guys haven't seen any footage from that, just because it was some bad days of fishing for us, but including one that was a big one on Green Bay.
Green Bay, yeah.
So that was definitely a 50-incher. Oh, yeah. That ate both sides. So, but yeah, we're happy. Do a little celebrating maybe, and on to the next one. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We always appreciate you guys watching every week. So all right, we'll see you next week, guys.